Okay, we are on recording, Carol. So yeah, we're driving down Ouray, Colorado. A little busy little town. It's not near as bad as Crested Butte was. But yeah, we came in. We had a brew up here at this Ouray brewery the other day. Really good. It's fun to sit up there on the balcony. You can see it up there. Watch people watching.
Hey, it looks empty.
Yeah, time to have a beer, I guess. So yesterday, what'd you do, Carol?
I went to the hot springs.
Carol wanted to get in that hot spring swimming pool with about 2,000 people.
No, there wasn't.
And I didn't want to. So what do? You just drop her off at the pool. And then me and Ginger, we went on a little hike. We went up to a waterfall. I'll show you some pictures of that later. Okay. So right now, we are on Highway 550. This is what they call the Million Dollar Highway.
Uh-oh, I feel raindrops.
$1 million raindrops.
Uh-oh. I need to put my jacket on.
Now, you gotta be kidding, right?
Just my one that's around my waist.
Do I need to stop? Hello?
What?
Do I need to stop?
Yeah, when you get a chance.
Okay, there's a pretty good little
curve. Whoa. Fox Canyon Falls, that's where we went.
Yeah, we'll have a video of that too.
That was so much fun. Wow, look at downtown. Look at all Ouray. Ooh, gorgeous.
You still want your jacket on?
Yeah, I can put my jacket on if you can put my drink in your holder.
Yeah. About that. I have a drink holder on this bike that's, it's made to hold a bottle of soda or whatever your preference is.
Here it is. Here's my, make a curve.
But Carol wants to put her water bottle, and that water bottle looks like a scuba tank.
Yeah, you're going to want some of my scuba tank when you get thirsty. Look how pretty. Don't you look, I'll look.
I'll do the looking up here.
I can't believe Brenda and I rode our bikes on this. Where's the bikers? Ian?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know you're on recording, right?
Yeah, I know. I don't care. Can you hold this? And I'm not even going to have to get off. I'm just going to put my light jacket on.
Let me see.
Here you go.
Easy. See how much that tank? Look at that. I don't know if you can see it there or not.
Let me just put my jacket
I put it on there and it leaned the whole bike over.
on. No, it doesn't. Put my jacket on.
How long is this stop going to be?
About 5 more seconds.
You're on the clock.
Oops, okay.
You ready?
I'm ready. Scuba tank, thank you. I have dog hair everywhere on this jacket. Switzerland! Switzerland!
Okay, Carol, you're on YouTube, so
On the way back, let's stop there and take a picture of the bike in front of that Switzerland sign.
okay.
Hikers.
All the hikers.
She has flip-flops on.
Flip-flop hiker.
Uh-huh.
Now, why do they call this the Million Dollar Highway, Carol?
Because it cost $1 million to build it.
There's several theories that I know of. So one was exactly that. Of course, this was built a long time ago, and $1 million was a lot more money than it is now. And so that was one reason they said that it was called the Million Dollar Highway. Another theory and story is that when they were building this highway, they ran through one of the silver mine's main veins, and they lost the vein. They couldn't mine the silver, and they said it was worth $1 million. The third one is there's a lot of people that say, I wouldn't drive over that thing for $1 million. So that's the three versions I know.
Well, and also, there's no guardrail. So when it snows, the snow just slides off, and people are scared to drive on it.
Yeah.
Look at that mountain.
Little tunnel.
Little tunnel. That cost a little bit.
There's a little creek or falls, I think, somewhere up here. And maybe we're not there yet, but
You can't beat this view.
yeah, if you can look off to the right, I can't.
You don't look off. I'll look off.
I have to take my hands off the handlebars to move my camera. And
So don't do it. Here's everybody looking.
yeah, this is that waterfall. And you know what? If we stop and get off at everything pretty, we'll never get anywhere.
Yeah, let's just do it if we have time. We're going to be here a while.
Yeah.
I don't mind doing this ride a few times. Do you?
No, I've done this ride like several times through my life. I'm kind of a $1 million road expert, but since I've never done it since I started the YouTube channel.
No.
So we thought we'd kind of share it with you.
And it's worth coming and seeing and riding it.
It's the most beautiful drive in America.
Yes. Gorgeous. God's country for sure.
I don't know if I moved that camera on the handlebars, and I don't know if it's for the better or for the worse, but you kind of have to look through that windshield and look around those bugs. We're headed to Silverton. Now, there's like there was not much space there as up here. But up here in about 13 miles is supposed to be construction that we may have to just get off and wait. It'll be our luck it'll be pouring down rain.
Probably. Rain's not going to hurt you.
I got my rain suit.
I got my rain suit.
I took yours out.
Oh, you did not.
No, I didn't.
Ooh, there's a waterfall.
Are you filming
You know,
anything?
that looks almost like when we went to that ride in Glacier.
Yeah.
Remember the waterfalls on the side of the road?
Yeah.
Gorgeous. What are these people just gawking?
Yeah, but it's just become more and more of a tourist trap, and I'm not sure exactly how all these people got off work.
Exactly.
I've been through here when I was the only one here, but that just doesn't happen anymore.
Nope. Everybody's working from home.
Or they say they are, and they're really out here farting around.
Well, they're working from home, and they're homeschooling their kids.
Making $400,000 a year, not doing nothing.
Exactly. And we had to work.
Yeah, but it's over now. I just thought when I was done working, there would still be people working, but they're not. They're all out here in my campsites.
Look at that trailer up there. It's like, oh, crud. I gotta go slow. It's not like you need to go fast on this road for sure.
No, you don't even want to go fast.
No.
The longer you can stay in scenery like this, the better.
Beautiful.
If you're in a hurry to get somewhere on this road, you're on the wrong road.
Yes. You got it. This is something you need to just take in. Just soak it all in. Every time we travel, I feel like this is the best place to be. Everywhere we go.
We could drive our motorhome on this road.
Oh, shoot, no. I'm sure you could, but everybody behind you would be mad.
Well, I mean, on this road, they just have to be mad. I mean, but I don't think you can be on this road and be mad. It's kind of got a calming effect.
It does.
Except for I'm getting mad at that guy up there. He needs to hurry.
You just leave him alone. Just enjoy it.
Look at that river, how yellow that is.
How come? That's from all the minerals, isn't it?
That's probably. There was a mine up here that had I don't know, they had some chemicals and stuff stored that they used in the mining process. and they abandoned that mine years ago. Well, the container started leaking into the river. Now, best I know, that river was the Animas, and it flowed into Durango. I don't know if that's it, but it turned it that color.
I know it's.
But typically that color says there's a lot of iron in that. Sulfur and iron.
Now that little waterfall coming down from that little crack in the mountain back there, little bitty one. Here's a Class C trying to come down this mountain. They wore out their brakes. No, there's 3 crosses right there. I don't know what that was for.
They just stopped to do a little hiking.
Yeah?
Or they could be, well, I don't know. I don't see that anything would have burned their brakes right now. Especially we're kind of on an uphill.
Yeah. There's that dirty water. That car's going fast. Slow down, dude.
Yeah, we'd have to put like a giant hinge on our motorhome to make these curves.
Uh-huh.
Them dogs had to pee.
Uh-huh.
I think we can kind of feel a little chill due to the altitude or something. Now there's Red Mountain.
That's pretty.
Pretty good sized motorhome.
I was trying to take a picture of that mountain, and the first picture, big old truck was in my way. But it looks pretty cool. Yeah, that's getting kind of cool.
Well, here we are at the end of the road in Silverton, Colorado. All right, we're going to end this video right here. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click on that little bell to be notified when we make future videos. Thanks for watching. I guess if you get up here in an electric car, you can pull right there and fill her up.